students, welcome back to my channel. This is Razi Maurya and here we are discussing about the chapter 6, chapter number 8, which is the fraction. Here we are discussing about fraction. Okay, and in this chapter we have already solved various types of questions, such as we have solved addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, and we are there discussing about the words problem where we shall add or subtract according as the question states. Okay, in this section we have already discussed some question, and today we have some more question to solve here. So I would like to explain one more question, which is few complicated as we have studied in our last session. So let's start. Okay, then let's start. Mohan mixed 1/7 of a can of. The question is Mohan mixed Mohan mixed 1/7 of a can of a can of white paint of white paint and half of a can of blue paint and half of a can of blue paint. To paint the bedroom walls. To paint the bedroom wall. What fraction of a can of paint? What fraction of a can of paint can of paint did he have in all? Did he have in all? So student, this is the given question and we have to solve it. First, let's see what does the question say. Mohan mixed 1/7 of a can of white paint and half of a can of blue paint to paint the bedroom walls. Okay, we have two types of paint. The first, he has taken 1/7 and second he taken half and mixed them On the meaning of mixing here means he is adding the both paint to each other. Okay, so if he add these two, then we take another like this 1/7 plus 1/2 types of paint. Okay, so we have to find the addition of these two fractions. So let's start. Amount white field, amount of white field is equal to 1 upon 7, because here says that 1 7, therefore we write 1 upon 7. The next is amount of blue paint, and this is equal to half. Half means 1 by 2. Therefore, total amount of paint, and this is equal to 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 2. So student, here we can see that the both fractions having different denominator, that is why we have to find their LCM. So when we find their LCM, we get 14 as LCM. Here we get 14. Divide 14 by 7. When we get 7 to the 14, so here we get 2 multiplied by 1, and divide 14 by 2, we get 7. So multiply 7 by 1, and here we get 2 plus 7 upon 14, and this is equal to 9 upon 14, which is our required result. Okay. 9 upon 4 will be the total, and 9 upon 14 will be the total fraction that we have right now to paint the bedroom wall. Okay students, I hope it is clear. Now let us see one more question. Okay, now let us see one more question from this. Ashok planted a fifth of his vegetable, a fifth of his vegetable in the morning. In the morning, and another 1/4, sorry, and 2/7 of it, and 2/7 of it in afternoon. In afternoon, what fraction of it, what fraction of his garden, what fraction of his garden planted in one day, planted in one day. This is the given question, and we have to find its solution. So listen carefully, what does the question say? Ashok planted a fifth of his vegetable in the morning, in the garden in the morning, in the garden in the morning, and 2/7 of it in afternoon. Okay, here a fifth means 1/5 part planted in the morning, and 7 planted in the afternoon. Then we have to find how much total he planted in one day. Okay, we have to find here how much he planted in one day total. So here we write sapling, or you can write plantation in the morning. Plantation in the morning is equal to 1 upon 5. A fifth means 1/5 part, and plantation in afternoon. Plantation in afternoon is 2/7. Is 2/7 means 2 upon 7. Then we have to find total plantation. Therefore, total plantation, and this will be equal to 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Here the both fraction having different denominator, which is unlike fraction, therefore we shall find their LCM to get our required result. So here we write the LCM will be 35. Okay, and divide 35 by 5, you will get 7, and 7 multiplied by 1. Divide 35 by 7, you will get 5, so multiply 5 by 1, and here we get 7 plus 5 upon 35, or this will be equal to 12 upon 35. Okay, so the total plantation will be equal to 12 upon 35. I hope it is clear to everyone. How did we solve this? First, we have to write the plantation in the morning, and this is the plantation in the afternoon, and here we have to find total plantation. So the total plantation will be their addition, and here we get their sum 12 upon 35, which is the required total plantation. Okay. Okay, student, now let us see the last question of this exercise. After that, we shall complete this. So the next question is, Anil spent Anil spent 5/8 of his money, 5/8 of his money on chocolates, on chocolates and other 1/4 of his money, and other 1/4 of his money on juice, then we have to find what fraction of his money, what fraction of his money did he spend spent in all. In all. So this is the given question and we have to find its solution. So here we write money spent. The first is he spent money. I ate money on the chocolate. So we write money is spent in on chocolate is equal to 5/8, that is 5 upon 8, and money is spent on juice is equal to 1/4. 1/4 money he spent on juice, so we write this is 1/4, and therefore total money spent, total money is spent is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4, and hence here we get 20 as the LCM, and here we get 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 1, and this is equal to 4 plus 5 upon 20, which will be equal to 9 upon 20. So that student, he spent total 9 upon 20 rupees in all. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. So we shall meet in the next session with new topic. Till then, goodbye.